What is going on, everybody in Mask Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a gaming test for the Redmi Note 9S. Stay tuned. So here we are. We got the Redmi Note 9S basically set up, get ready for the gaming test here. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and connect my Xbox controller because, to be honest with you guys, it's much easier to play with a controller here. So let's go ahead and get this crag-a-lagging. Redmi Note 9S here, gameplay. Got the controller connected. Let's go. Alright. Come on, man. That was too easy, man. Now, I believe I got this on high settings. It's not 100% sure. Oh, it got me. It wasn't sent. We got a jump. Oh, no. UAV. Take them down now. Take them down. Come on, fam. Don't be trying to pull up. Oh, it came from... Damn, I didn't see this one. This desert snake is fire, yo. Let me see. Got them both. What's up? Pull up, you get done up, I'ma. Oh, wet him up, wet him up. Ah. Like we got a little tracking drone here. Let's see. Oh yeah, we do. Where the smoke at? Who wanna get hit with that drone? Get him. Get him. Really smooth, in case you guys can't tell. I mean, I got the controller connected, and I'm pretty sure this is on high graphical settings. It is a Snapdragon 720 inside. I saw some gunfire in here. Oh, y'all pulled up on me at the right time. Alright, let me see. We'll go back over here. Be a little careful. There we go. Be a little careful. Come on. Get out of here, bro. Come on, man. I'm trying to get like 20 kills, to be honest with you. Wet the whole squad up, but man, where you at, man? You pulling up, man? You get done up, man? I got something for everybody, man. Okay, we got y'all. UAV coming up. UAV coming up. Alright. Let's see. There's a sniper. Get wrecked. Damn, I had to reload. Y'all lucky. This is a family-free channel here. I'm not going to use any more profanity. Alright, let's see. Come back over here, brother. How do I lose this gunfight? Oh, I might not get it, y'all. Win and kill, what's up? Where you at? Oh, that wasn't it. But it plays really well. And then after this, what I'm gonna do is play another game, except I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna make sure it's on high settings and make sure it's at like high resolution, high frame rate. All right, ended up being the MVP there. I got 21 kills, so I can accept that. Let me go over here to settings, audio and graphics. Yep, so you can see there, graphic quality is very high, frame rate is very high. The gun I was using was the BK-57 Desert Snake, and then this one here is the Power 57 Desert Snake. So this one here has a little bit more power, but its fire rate is much higher than the other gun. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Get into a match. Oh, we at the same location. All right. Come on, man. The clip is too crazy, man. Started talking a little bit too soon. All right. Try this gun out. Let's see. We got some smoke right here. Where they at? Gotcha. Gotcha. Who next?
It's too close. Fight harder.
That gun kind of nice, right?
Recon is standing by. Tied for the lead. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. We've taken the lead. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. It's too close. Fight harder. Hunter-killer drone deployed. We've taken the lead.
Gotcha. Dang, man. Every time I talk smack, I get got. The very next second over. All right, let me see. Oh, I see you up there, brother. Ah, I should have got him. They gave me the assist, though. What you doing over here, brother?
Lost the lead. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight.
All right.
We've taken the lead.
Okay. Y'all dead nice with it. So pull up over here, then I bet you get got. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all
It's too
at?
close. Fight harder.
Gotcha. Gotcha. What's up? Ah, all right.
Tied for the lead. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Enemy UAV spotted. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
All right, so that gun is fun. Whoa. Why give us such an easy kill, man? If you're gonna pull up, you better be nice. You gonna pull up. All right, I gotta switch over to a different gun, y'all. If I get time. Dang, I ain't had no time. The game is over. All right. I'll take that. As you can see, controller's connected. Xbox controller. I like my Xbox controller. My girlfriend bought it for me. It's beautiful, isn't it? The loadout here. And we're gonna be okay. This spot is different. All right. I'm pretty good here too. It's not really that many maps in this Call of Duty mobile here, but yeah. All right, let's go. Around this corner is where the smoke gonna be. Took the whole squad out. Well, not the whole squad, but you know.
Recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. Ready for UAV online. Reloading.
Come on, man. I'm looking like a superhero out this mug, y'all. Oopsie. Yeah, we got a crazy lead. What a start. Damn it, reload. I gotta switch to somebody else's gun. I didn't die yet, y'all.
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Friendly Predator missile inbound.
God tier level. Y'all better take me down. How am I not dead yet? I wrecked the whole team right here. And I'm using your man's gun, bruh. Are these bots, man? I died. Y'all seen this gameplay, right? Alright, let's see if I can end the game with a missile.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Let me see. Do I got 30 kills, man? Y'all seen that gameplay, right? Exactly what I had to do. One more. 50-9 on the boys, man. You know who the MVP was too, right? Okay, I like this new gun for sure. Alright, let's see. How many kills y'all think I got? I died only one time. Score was 38-64. First place MVP, of course. And that kill marker, level 20 now. 36 kills, y'all. Alright, that's where we gotta end the game at here. Now, I didn't play any other game because I didn't have any interest in playing any other game, but this is a pretty high, like highly graphically or just super intensive mobile game here. And so frame rate was on point, audio was on point, everything was on point here. Bluetooth connectivity with the controller. The game is just overall awesome. And if the Redmi Note 9S is the device that you're looking for to use to play some games like this, it is definitely the one for you. So Mass Squad, let me know in the comment section below, did you think the Redmi Note 9S was going to be as smooth as it was with the gameplay here at Call of Duty Mobile? The battery life on this thing is also quite impressive. I had it on 100% when I first started this gameplay, and now we're at 96%. So we're only down 4%, and we've been playing for about 20 minutes here. Almost on full brightness with the game on its highest graphical setting. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. What do you think? And also like this video here if you haven't liked it already so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching budget devices like the Redmi Note 9S here. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any coverage when it comes to budget devices like the Redmi Note 9S as far as gameplay, first impressions, speed test videos, all that good stuff. And last but not least, Mass Squad, I need you to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.